Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a BTC wallet in MetaMask. First, understand that MetaMask is built for Ethereum and its compatible networks. To manage Bitcoin, you'll need to add a custom network that supports wrapped Bitcoin or a similar token, which represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. Ensure your MetaMask extension is installed and ready to go before proceeding with network configuration. Next, open your MetaMask wallet and locate the network selection drop-down at the top. Click on it, then choose the Add Network option. This will open a new window or tab where you can input the details for a custom network. You'll need the network name, a new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and Block Explorer URL for the chain you wish to use for wrapped Bitcoin. Carefully enter all the necessary network parameters into the provided fields. Double-check the RPC URL and chain ID to avoid connection issues. Once all details are correctly entered, click Save to add the new network to your MetaMask. After saving, switch to this newly added network from the drop-down. You can now interact with wrapped Bitcoin or other Bitcoin-pegged tokens on this chain. Finally, to see your wrapped Bitcoin, you'll need to import its token contract address into MetaMask. Click Import Tokens, paste the contract address, and add the token. Your wrapped Bitcoin balance will then be visible. Remember, this process allows you to manage a representation of Bitcoin on an Ethereum-compatible network. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.